Guys, here's the ticket window. You can get tickets so that you can enter Royal Mela. So now I'm going in. Oh guys, there is so many people here. These are the Diwali vacations. So many people come to this fun fair. So guys, here's the preview of the Mela.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top.
Hey guys, now we're going to go on a ride. So viewers, there's so many rides over here. Look at this, so many rides. I'm going to go on one of them. So let's see what happens.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now.
Hey guys, we're going to go on this ride, okay? Guys, I'm on the Ferris wheel. Let's see what happens next. Woo! Jinansh! Oh, damn it! Up and look, shopping malls, and everything is neon lights, and look, there are so many rides. Even another Ferris wheel might come around. Oh look, I was right, it's there. It's really great. This one is great too. Guys, look, so many rides. Oh, we're coming down. Wow! Now we're going up back again. Wow! So here's the experience. When we went up, our tummies were feeling a little wiggly, and even when we went down, they were feeling wiggly. But when you were up, you could see the whole city. That was really great, I think. Really great. Look guys, I'm going on another ride. This guy is helping me get on the horse. Now the ride is going to get started. happy. Guys, really great experience and it was totally worth it. So, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Guys, look, the fun fair is Dubai themed and there are just miniature copies of Burj Khalifa and other famous Dubai buildings. I love it. And look, here's the golden man. Wow, it's really hard to stay like a statue like that. Now it's my turn. Wow, the golden man is great. He is making me hold this golden stick. That's a great sound. Guys, look, I'm here for shopping. I'm visiting all the stalls. There is many things like toys, pencils, pens, spinners, slimes, slingies, etc. These are binoculars. Let me see what this is. Oh wow, so squishy. This is a stress releaser. If you have any stress, you can squish this. And look, there's even light. Super crazy, yeah. I like it, super crazy. Now I'm trying some sunglasses. Hey guys, should I wear this and buy this? Comment in the comment section. Okay, let me see in the mirror. Oh wow, I totally look great, guys. I will buy this no matter what. This is really great. So let's buy it now. I'm buying another one and I think I should try this one. Okay, let me see in the mirror. I look like I'm wearing 3D glasses at movie theater. I should buy this. Okay, so this looks great. Guys, it's about 10 o'clock at night. And still so many people are here for shopping and for the rides. Many people are here because this place always has something good and crazy. That's why this place is very famous. Very. Guys, look, this lady is playing a fun fair game. She has to knock down all the glasses with her football. Okay, let's see if she knocks them down. Okay. Oh yeah, she did one, but the other four are still left. She nearly missed. Guys, look, these are all the puppets. Guys, this is also a type of puppet show. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye guys. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.